Yeah, this is your captain speaking. Please remain seated until we reach the gate.
SkyMall?
Yeah. Hey, buddy, do me a solid. I'm just gonna leave this right here. Oh, that is a game changer.
You ever done goat yoga?
That looks.
Oh, excuse me. Elbows in, excuse part. Excuse part. Watch out.
Is this a plane or a sauna? Oh my gosh. I'm flying through a cold front?
Oh yeah, my flight got canceled.
What's your name?
Ty. It's just TY.
And your flight was
Canceled.
Canceled.
Yep.
Oh,
Is there one available?
no.
Tomorrow?
What was your name again?
Ty.
Ty.
All right, I'm gonna try somewhere else. Thank you.
Think we should talk to the passengers? Cool.
Hi, everybody. This is Captain Cody speaking. We are now at our cruise.
Where'd my movie go?
You are free to move about the cabin.
Excuse me.
We ever pushed this button before?
Uh-oh. We're about to hit some turbulence. Passengers, we're about to execute a barrel roll.
Oh! Sorry for the turbulence. Remember, keep that seatbelt on nice and tight.
Usually I have to fight for these things.
Dude, are you staring at my daughter?
She started it.
Come on, man, that's weird.
And the flame charred vermin on a stick.
This is wild! I don't know what to do with this. Ma'am?
No, thank you. That's not mine.
Maybe your husband?
Yeah, I have to take it.
Is this your bag?
Yes, sir.
You need to do a bag check.
Okay. Oh.
Sir, is this your axe?
No, that may be somebody else's.
Is your name Tyler?
Yes, sir.
It says Tyler's axe right there.
I'm going to jail, aren't I?
No, just make sure next time you fly, make sure you keep the cap on.
Okay.
And be safe and have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Sorry,
A belt. Don't walk back through it. Spread them. Spread them! Huh? You got a box cutter in there? Bingo!
Press toothpaste.
Oh, toothpaste, huh? Sure looks like an IED to me. I'm over it. Full body scan, come on.
Come on, dude.
We're sending them through.
Tray table's not locking.
Dude, what are you doing?
Just finishing up a birdhouse.
Why is he walking like that, dude? Dude, something's wrong. Oh my gosh, turbulent.
What is happening?
Did you hear the pilot's his first time flying?
You sure that's okay for you to be taking that many pills? These are just marshmallows. Feel bad for the people in the back. I'm about to blow this thing up.
Yes, sir. That guy that just went back there, he said he's gonna blow up the plane.
In a couple of minutes, the whole plane's gonna feel that one.
What do you have to say for yourself?
It was just a number 2.
There's 2 more!
Heidi ho, Martin Berger, Wampanoag, Minnesota. Can I catch your name?
Give ID.
Martin Berger, told you. I wasn't lying to you.
It says here you've been in close contact with fruits, seeds, and soil.
You know, don't freak out or anything. That can be our little secret.
No, there's no secrets with TSA. Yeah, I'm gonna have to confiscate this full bag. To the next bag, not keeping that one. Last question, have you been around or seen any livestock?
You guys are so thorough with your questions. It's unbelievable. Yeah, I found this little livestock.
That's right.
I've got to get now, sir.
You are gonna be detained in cell 6. No, sir, Martin!
Come on, empty row, empty row, empty row. Good night, is that Goliath and his buddy?
Next to a little guy, this is nice.
Yeah, I'm not that little. I'm 5'9".
Yo, D, you got the oysters? I'm hungry.
Oh, hey, but I got crawfish if you want some.
Can you hear it?
Ginger ale?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure everybody can hear it. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate. Oh, I think I'm good. Thanks. You want to sit in the middle so y'all can see?
Oh, no. This is perfect. That's good. It's good.
Can you hold her while I run to the restroom?
Oh, yeah. I'm great with kids. It's okay.
Please shut that window, dude.
It's the St. Louis Arch.
I know.
Where are you flying to? Anaheim?
Yep.
Oh, wait, we're all flying to Anaheim. We're all in the same place. See, big hat guy. What kind of head shape do you have? Oh, you're bald. I love flying so much. This is gonna be such a fun flight.
Yeah, I cannot wait.
Nice backpack. Where's it from?
Nomadic.
Oh my gosh, there's so many compartments in this. Wow. Hi, where are you going?
Bathroom?
To the bathroom. You mean to Anaheim?
There's kids on board. Dude.
Everyone remain calm!
We're gonna drop the oxygen masks.
That didn't reach the cockpit.
It's a holy bullshit. Well, the only good thing about a middle seat is you get both armrests.
That's weird. I always heard it was first come, first serve.
Hey, can you see the Grand Canyon out there? No, can't see it.
Hey, my bird's not bothering you, is it?
I mean, it's probably bothering that lady now.
Sorry, my snake just needed to stretch out.
She's in her seat. Her neck is just long.
paid for this seat.
You're freaking out my Amy right now. I need you to calm down. I'll give you a tax sign so fast. Eddie. Where are you guys headed?
We're on our honeymoon. Me and Sugar Bear. Oh, Sugar Woogie.
Y'all might want to buckle up.
No, we are.
No, I'm talking about for life.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have about a 30-minute delay.
That's fine. These are fast.
Hasn't been 30 minutes.
To wish you a safe flight.
Oh, by the way, I have night terrors, so just don't wake me up. What'd you say?
No! 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 Ah! Stop! Stop! Ah!
Oh, praise God.
Oh, that was an easy flight.
Tyler? Yeah, it said you're gonna be here like 15 minutes ago.
That's my bad.
Left lane. Need a left lane.
Left.
Exit's
No,
on the
it's
left.
not right.
No, exit.
Oh, you know what? I was going to show you this water tower.
I don't care about the water tower.
No. It's an investment I made for my family.
That looks like the worst water tower I've ever seen. And the gates are closed. Yeah. Okay, and I just missed my flight. I never should have let you take me to the airport. You're a horrible driver.
I can still get to the airport. That's your strategy? A little hacksaw?
You're kicking it? Are you serious?
Dude, no way!
Take that, Chuck!
Wait! It didn't even have water in it!
All right, we are in Dallas.
That was smooth, huh?
Dude, please don't do it. Don't clap. Oh. Hey, how's it going? Martin Burger, Wampanoag, Minnesota.
I'm gonna struggle, dude.
Martin Burger, Wampanoag, Minnesota. What's your name?
Business class?
Are you typing that or? Okay, ready?
No, I'm not.
We ready to lock in that order?
Yeah, we're thinking we're both gonna do the flamed moose.
Yummy.
I think I just pooped myself.
Blame the first one. The last one was not me. Blame.
Thanks for watching, guys. Special thanks to our friends at Nomadic for sponsoring this video. Check out the awesome giveaway we have going on with them at nomadic.com/dudeperfect. We'll see you next time. Pound it. Noggin. See ya.